They should use the street inside. There are no security men. Nobody to open the gate.
Nobody left. Take, bring out. Catching microphone.
Where's the microphone?
Catching microphone. Okay, the background. Just one second. All right, great.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Come on, come.
Gentlemen of the press,
Stop.
I'm here myself this morning with members of the few members of the council to comply with the Supreme Court judgment. Before my arrival, there's several attempts by phone call to reach the speaker and other members. I also did a letter personally which was transmitted to the Honorable Speaker for this particular invitation. But it's unfortunate that at the gate, you can see that the place is completely sealed and there's no sign that anything is going to happen today. The reason why we're doing this, I've always said it, in the interests of our people, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe they are working on their letter. I expect to hear from them maybe after this hour. Thank you.
Thank you.